What's the meaning of boyhood? Boyhood. Boyhood.
Boyhood. Boyhood. Boyhood refers to the time period during which someone is a boy, typically from birth until adolescence. It is the stage in a male's life when he is developing physically, emotionally, and socially. During boyhood, boys learn how to interact with others, form relationships, and develop a sense of identity. They begin to develop their interests, skills, and areas of expertise. This stage is crucial in shaping a person's future as it sets the foundation for their beliefs, values, and behaviors. The experiences and lessons learned during boyhood can shape a person's life for years to come.